Throw coffee into your toilet. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. This is a simple and cost-effective way to create a useful bathroom cleaner. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee is great for absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda for its cleaning properties. Pour some vinegar into a glass, as it is well known for its disinfecting abilities. Add the vinegar to the bowl with the coffee and baking soda. Mix the solution thoroughly. Once the mixture is ready, you can use it to clean your bathroom. Pour the entire mixture into the toilet. Let it sit for a while to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Then scrub as usual and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. By using this natural cleaner, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a healthier environment.